So let's take, this is an I naught. Okay. So this is grammar with augmented grammar and LR1 items, which consisting of LR0 items along with the look ahead value. So these are the look ahead values. Okay, I hope you understand how we get the look ahead values. If there is just after a non-terminal nothing is there, if after a non-terminal nothing is there, just write look ahead value whatever there it is there here. Okay, after a non-terminal, if another non-terminal is present, then you have to take the first of that non-terminal. So that I have taken C by D as a look ahead value. Now let's see. On E, okay, the first production. So on E, I get E determines E dot comma dollar. So this is I1. So after dot, no terminal, non-terminals are there. So just leave it. Now let's take a B production. I2, E determines B dot B, okay, comma dollar. So after dot there is again B. So you need to write all the productions for this non-terminal. So what are the productions for this non-terminal? So this is the productions for this non-terminal. B determines dot CB dot D. Only write the productions for this non-terminal and just copy the dollar. Okay, still this is not completed. Only for this we are writing the productions. E only on B. So E determines B dot B comma dollar. So you need to write only for this B. B determines dot CB comma dot D comma dollar. Okay, now let's take small c. I3. So C is on C. B determines C dot B. Okay, only C dot B. Okay, we are taking only this production. B determines dot CB only, not complete this production. So B determines C dot B slash, and what are the look ahead values for this that you have to write? C slash D. So after dot B dot there is a non-terminal which is a B. Let me take the pen. So after dot there is a capital B which is a non-terminal. So for whatever the productions that are present for B, you need to write and copy the look ahead value. What are the productions for dot B? B determines the complete this dot CB slash dot D. Just copy the look ahead value, because only for this production you are writing the for this non-terminal you are writing the productions. So the complete productions for this is dot CB slash dot D for the B productions and the look ahead value. Now let's take small d, a terminal, which is I4. Okay, so B determines D dot comma look ahead value. So I4 is over. Now there is no extra states will come because this is a final state. E dot, there is no terminal and non-terminal is present. Now let's take here. I am taking B. This is I5. E determines BB dot, okay, on B I am taking BB dot comma dollar. So after dot nothing is there, so just leave it. Now let's take C. This is I6. So on C, B determines C dot B, okay, C dot B. Only on C I am taking, not consider the D. Only on C I am taking. C determine B on C, B determines C dot B. Okay, C dot B, you need to write the dollar also here, the look ahead. Now for dot B, you have to write the productions. What are the productions for B? The B productions are dot CB slash dot D, comma, what is the look ahead value that is present after B? You have to write that here. I hope you understand. So I am just taking the input as C. So for C, B determines C dot B, comma, whatever the look ahead value is, right. So here After dot, there is a non-terminal. So whatever the non-terminal productions are there, complete productions you need to write. B determines dot CB dot D. You have written. So look ahead value you have to write also. C is over. Now let's take D. I7. B determines D dot comma dollar. Okay. Now let's take here on B. I8. B determines CB dot C by D. Look ahead value. Okay. Now come here. For this, on C you have to take. If you take on C, you will get B determines C dot B. Okay. C dot B. Again, don't take on D. Only this thing. On C you are taking. B determines C dot B slash CD. So this, which is the same here. So just take it as a loop. That is C. So on D. So this is over. Okay. So on D, what you will get? So if you take D here, B determines D dot, look ahead value, C by D value. So this state is over. Now check still any other. So this reaches the final state BB dot, and here dot B is there. Okay. So write the production on. If you take B as an input, I9, B determines CB dot comma dollar. After that nothing is there. So check here on C. On C you will get C dot B comma dollar. Again this thing will come. So just repeat it and write it as small c. And for D, B determines D dot comma dollar. So just here, it is already present here. Just written here. So this is the CLR1 data flow diagram. So here did you observe so many states are there when compared to LR0, SLR1, and for all this CLR1 is having so many states. Total how many states? The total states here are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 states are there, means total it's having the 10 states are there. So this CLR1 is having more number of states, means the more number of parsing table. A table contains more number of rows. Okay. So let's see the parsing table in the next video of this CLR1.